If you've been waiting for the right time to go cordless with your mowing, this is it. The Worx Spring Sale is hitting its final days, and there is one deal you cannot ignore. I'm talking about the Worx Nitro 40V mower. This isn't just a weekend warrior tool, it's got the brushless motor and the torque to actually handle a real yard. And right now, it's at a price we won't see again until maybe Black Friday. But it's not just the mowers. My new spring sale idea list is packed with everything from the GT Revolution trimmers to the LeafJet blowers. If it's on sale and it's worth owning, it's on this list. Keep in mind, these deals are hard-coded to expire at midnight on March 31st. Once that clock hits April 1st, these prices jump back up to full retail. Don't be the guy paying 20% more next week because you waited. I've made it easy for you. Click the special link in the description to see my full Worx Spring Sale idea list. Grab what you need, save some cash, and let's get that yard ready.